Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader at X2. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, finally GBPUSD is out of the rising wedge pattern. Rising wedge pattern is a trend reversal pattern. So yes, further downside is very much possible. If you're already holding a sell position on the chart of GBPUSD, then be on the trade further downside possible because it's a trend reversal pattern. But before I proceed with the other levels and other trading opportunities on the chart of GBPUSD, I would like to discuss about DXY. US dollar is the most popular and most traded currency. So as a result, knowing about the body language of DXY is very important. So DXY closed at 102.59. This is the last traded price, and as expected, last time DXY took support around 102.10. And right now we can see that DXY is trying to recover, but we cannot deny the fact that the chart is under the dominance of sellers. As a result, the road will not be very easy for DXY. After a market opening, even if DXY tries to recover, there will be resistances, there will be sellers sitting around 102.60 and 103 level. And usually we do not get to see much volatility, especially during the first half of Monday, Asian session and European session, and you can expect the market to reverse, market to face some selling pressure around this area. If any news comes out during the weekend and market shows extreme volatility, then that's a different chapter. But if market remains like this, then 102.60 and 103 will act like a thorn for DXY if DXY tries to recover. And if market starts falling, if DXY starts falling on Monday, and the chances also very high because of the ongoing selling pressure, then 102.10, the previous level will not work, and this time market should be heading towards the last low of 101.90. This is all about DXY. Now let's talk about GBPUSD. So DXY showed GBPUSD showed a rising wedge pattern a couple of days ago, and you have heard me discussing about this pattern here. But we cannot also deny the fact that DXY is very much under the dominance of sellers. And fundamentally also DXY is not very strong right now. So as a result, there is a possibility that even if GBPUSD shows a downside, it will take support. It will take support around 1.2277. This is the first support on the chart of DXY. If you're already having a sell position, you can be on the trade. No need to exit. Further downside possible. But I think that the downside will not continue for many days. So as a result, I will be looking for buy opportunities around 1.2277 because DXY or US dollar is weak fundamentally. If any news comes out and if it changes the game, then that's a different thing. But right now in this ongoing situation, there is a possibility that market will take some support around 1.2277 level. And if 1.2277 level fails, then the next strong support where we have good amount of buyers is around 1.2186. This is the second support on the chart of GBPUSD where you can expect the market to have some proper support, some buyers, and you can definitely expect the market to bounce, because of previous price rejection support around this area, as well as we have Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level and the previous resistance to act as support. So if you combine all the factors, then 1.2186 is a very strong support where we have good amount of buyers present. But this particular level is far away from the current market price. So as a result, your prime focus should be on this level only, 1.2277. And in this level, I will not be recommending anything because already we got the opportunity we were waiting for. So if market comes to this support level and bounces, take support, go for a buy. So these are the two support, strong or reliable support levels on the chart of GBPUSD for Monday. And in case market shows, okay, in case market shows upside on Monday, okay, due to some news, because as you all have observed that for the last couple of weeks market has been extremely crazy. I have been telling you repeatedly that you need to book your profit around 30 to 40 pips, and the reason is the unpredictability. Okay, so if market shows an upside right after the market opening, then you can look for some selling opportunity around 1.2364. I think market will face some resistance around this area. Why? Because you can see the previous trend line which was acting as the support should now be acting as the new resistance. Okay, and market also took support around this area. Okay, so the previous support to act as resistance, and you can see I have also drawn Fibonacci tool here. Okay, and I can see that I also have Fibonacci Fibo 0.38.2% retracement level. So if I combine all the factors, then around 1.2364, around 1.2365, there may be okay, some selling. Okay, if you see market reversing from here, you can consider taking a sell position, but please follow proper risk management because okay, this can be a little bit scary. So if market shows upside on Monday after the market opening, okay, then around this level, okay, observe the market. If you see that market is struggling around 1.2365, market is showing price rejection from above. Okay, it means that sellers are present as per our expectation, and you can look for a sell. Wait for 15 to 30 minutes and then only go for a sell position. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBPUSD right now. One resistance if market tries to recover and reverses, and two support levels on the chart of GBPUSD. The support levels are far away from the current market price because after the wedge pattern we get to see a good amount of trend reversal. Okay, so as a result, I am not recommending and also suggesting any immediate support. Okay, we should give some time to the market also. So my dear friends, that's all from my side. Okay, if I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you, and please stay in touch with the news because news is playing a very big role for the last couple of days. Market is extremely volatile as a result, so please be careful and keep in touch with the news. And as I always say, follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. I'm also a trader like you. No trader is 100% accurate. My SLs also get hit. So be careful. Calculate your position according to the stop loss and your capital. Be careful. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Do not play with your capital. Bye-bye. Take care.